Velani, how do you feel now that you're going home? You feel like crying? Uli cheaper. Menzi, how do you feel now? How do you feel now that you're going home? How do you feel? Very good. Okay, Menzi. Okay, let me interview. Rethanolo and Melissa, I can see you guys are cozy there.
Looking excellent. Excellent.
So how do you feel now that you're going home?
I feel very sad. Happy, but I'm very sad.
How? Why is that?
Melissa behind. I'm leaving people behind.
Nontombi, how do you feel now that Kamo is not here? You must answer me.
I will give you my aggression. You will see how I feel.
When are you going to see him?
When I go and you are that far.
You will miss him, yeah? Okay, guys.
Another angle, last one.
Okay.
Sure. Yeah, good. Really good.
William, how do you feel now that you're going home?
I'm sad.
You said, don't you miss your girlfriend? Why you said?
No, I've
Oh,
grown to
man.
love you so much.
Time to practice. Litakas, what are you doing there?
One skyscraper on the mic device, Nilemsin, and the cleaning, Bashang, freestyle, icebreaker.
I wanna miss you.
Maseke, are you happy that you're going to EPE? Are you ready for closer people? Yeah, they will entertain you. Hi, Bo.